Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Too Much Tech, and in today's video is gonna be pretty sick. We've got a huge unboxing of both the new Alienware monitors. I think it's gonna be a pretty crazy unboxing just because I don't think anyone on YouTube has unboxed both of these monitors just yet. We have the AW3420DW, aka the new 1440p 144 hertz ultra wide with G-Sync and all this stuff. Super high resolution, really nice screen. It's curved as well. And then we got Alienware's brand new 27-inch AW2720HF, which is their new FreeSync 2 27-inch 240 hertz 1 millisecond IPS monitor. So it's gonna be really sick to unbox both these bad boys. And yeah, I'm pretty sure they're gonna live up to all the hype because Dell and Alienware know how to make some really quality monitors. So I'm really excited to test both of these. Come on, let's go ahead and unbox them. Okay. Oh, one down, and this desk isn't big enough to fit both of them at the same time, obviously. So the other one's gonna go right next to this one. Hopefully I don't break it up against the wall, because we need that other monitor for another video. All right. We got both the 34-inch and the 27-inch. This is gonna be crazy. All right, guys, so we've got the big monitor up here. This is gonna be really fun to unbox. I don't know which one I'm gonna wanna use first. I think I'm gonna use the smaller one first because it's a, 240 hertz, and this one is 120. But before I go ahead and open it up, let's run through all the quick specs real quick. So we've got 34-inch display, obviously, ultra wide, 3440 by 1440p resolution, 1900R curve. That's like the degree of curve. I don't think it's that steep, but we'll see obviously when we open it. I can never remember which one is super steep, 1900 or 3600. I think 1900 might be the steeper one, so I could be wrong. We'll see when we open it. IPS nano color. Hopefully that means that the screen looks really freaking good, so this should be a really good productivity screen as well. 2 millisecond response time and 120 hertz refresh rate, all synced up with NVIDIA G-Sync. This one has the real G-Sync, has the chip inside. Doesn't use the AMD and the G-Sync compatible, blah, blah, blah. This is the real G-Sync, so this is the real deal, which I think probably makes sense just because the amount of pixels that this monitor is going to be pushing. Probably do want real G-Sync. Probably doesn't matter, especially if your computer's hardware is good enough. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this bad boy. All right, Alienware, I see you with the presentation. I might not have enough space to do a full proper unboxing, but you know what? We're gonna wing this one, boys. Push that over, so we don't have a $1,500 mistake. That would most definitely suck. This is super heavy duty. It's got that lunar white, that all new Alienware design language. I think it looks pretty cool. Here's the bottom of the stand. I'll go ahead and piece this together real quick. All right, so now the stand is together. Quite hefty, I'll say that much. One thing about Alienware, I won't say that I hate, but that I strongly dislike. I just wish the bases weren't so huge. Like Dell does a way better job with that. It looks pretty minimalist, but maybe that's just because of the style that I like. Yeah, this is just as bad as the last gen. But you know what? Who cares about the stand when the monitor is like best in class? And hopefully this one is along the same lines. But you know what? I think to pull this out of the box, I should put it on the stand. Ooh. See, that's kind of hard to trust, man. That looks a little dangerous. I'm gonna go ahead and slip the power cable in there real quick. This is probably the best time to do that. Looks like this stand has got RGB2, which I think I see in some of the press images. Let's go ahead and put this thing on the ground. Well, kind of on the ground, but hold this bottom so we'll make a big mistake. One thing I will say about this lunar white back, it looks like it smudges like extremely easily, because I don't recall touching this. Like, did I touch that part? I don't know, maybe it's just me. I don't want to give this thing a solid wipe down for sure. All right, anyways, the colorway is really cool. It uses like a pretty similar design language as the Alienware laptop that we just reviewed, the M51. I think that's the first product this year that like Alienware showed off that had a brand new design language. I could be wrong, maybe it was the M15, but I'm pretty sure the M15 from 2018 used the old design language. So this one, it's nice how everything's matching. It matches all their new desktops, which I'm pretty sure power this thing just fine. But yeah, you got 34 like right here. Looks like it's like laser etched or something like that. And this lunar white is pretty cool. Just be sure to get this off. Ooh. 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 This thing looks so clean. It looks so dope. Oh my god. This is cool as heck. Oh yeah. Incredibly adjustable stand, not very bouncy. That's good. Even if the stand is a little huge on your desk, the easiest way to solve that problem, just buy a bigger desk. Oh yeah, this thing is freaking cool. All right, we're gonna set this one up somewhere else. And now it's time to unbox the 27-inch. Okay, it looks like it opens from this side, but it really doesn't. You have to open it from the bottom. Then you pull out these clips. Here's the little handles. There we go. So it just kind of sets on there quite nicely. Nothing else in the box. Just want to grab you guys and show you some of the cool little details up close. So it says 27-inch right there. Nice little glowing logo. Then you've got your controls on the back. Basically the same controls on both of them. Then underneath here you got like your USBs, power, really nice cool looking stand with some RGB. You guys will see that in just a little bit because I'll shut the lights off and show you what it looks like at night. It's pretty cool. Okay. All right, for whatever reason, that little piece of tape, I swear it was like really, it was stuck for sure. All right, here we have it. This one's flat, so it's not curved. I feel like it should be curved, especially at like 27 inches. That would have been really nice, but I'm sure the display looks really good since it's IPS, so I'll give it a pass this time. But next time Alienware monitor this big, make it curved, please. That would be really nice. Full HD, 240 hertz, AMD FreeSync. All right, guys, so we have got this Alienware monitor all set up behind me. I know, I'm on my iPhone right now. Honestly speaking, I was like, man, that camera is kind of heavy and I want to take a break holding it real quick because I just got done setting up setup number 1 of 2. After I get done showing you guys this, I'm going to set up the other ultra wide monitor in another setup. After I show you guys that second setup, you guys can wait on my full review. I think it's going to be really, really cool. I'm really liking this monitor so far. I think it looks pretty decent. I'm really gonna have to play with it to see if I can tell the difference between my 25-inch TN panel and this 27-inch IPS panel. From the first impressions that I got after turning it on, I can barely tell the difference, but maybe it's because I got this huge Elgato key light shining at max brightness right behind me. So here we go, guys. Just updating my NVIDIA drivers really quick. The nice part about having the AN Pro 2 that I just reviewed, link in the description below, it is completely wireless. So when I have like another setup that I want to use beside my main setup, it's really cool to have a nice wireless keyboard. It's just one less cable. So I plugged in my RGB mouse mat and my Model O- to use on this extended Razer mouse pad. My NVIDIA GeForce drivers are done updating. So in a little bit, I'm probably gonna hop on a game of Fortnite and see what my first impressions of this monitor will be. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be really freaking good. So I'm gonna save all that for the full review. All right, you guys, so we do have the second setup complete now with the 34-inch 120 hertz G-Sync display. And I think it looks pretty good. It just got done updating Windows and now I'm gonna have Epic update the Fortnite game. And yeah, we will have both of the reviews of the monitors up very shortly. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this brief unboxing and I hope you guys enjoy the B-roll that I'm about to shoot and show you guys afterwards. But Until then, thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. Also, make sure to turn on post notifications because I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to miss my review of this monitor right here, as well as the 27-inch 240Hz monitor. Both brand new monitors from Alienware. Make sure you drop a thumbs up and don't forget to join our Gleam giveaway as well for the Model O for the month of October. All right, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.